Hey y'all, it's Dr. Know-It-All. So I'm at a friend's house because it's Friday evening and I was planning on starting the weekend. But a quick thing about Elon Musk. I'm going to read the headlines here. From the AP, Elon Musk says he's terminating the $44 billion Twitter buyout deal. It says his tumultuous $44 billion bid to buy Twitter is on the verge of collapse after the CEO sent a letter to Twitter's board Friday saying he's terminating the acquisition. Twitter did not immediately respond to a message for comment. It's not entirely clear whether Twitter's board will accept the $1 billion breakup fee or if there will be a court battle over the deal. So that'll be interesting. So anyway, Elon said, let's see. Yeah, so here we go. Musk said Twitter has not complied with its contractual obligations surrounding the deal, namely giving Musk enough information to make an independent assessment of the prevalence of fake or spam accounts on Twitter's platform. So I think that's it. Sorry. You get that kind of thing where the advertisements pop up. So anyway, there you go. That is breaking news. It just popped up a few minutes ago. And obviously Elon's not happy. It's interesting that they're saying that there's an automatic $1 billion breakup fee, where I'm not positive, because I feel like with Elon Musk saying that they're in material breach, that he might actually say that he doesn't owe them anything. So it will be interesting to find out whether he believes that he owes that $1 billion breakup fee or not. If he does pay it and Twitter's board accepts it, the stock, I think the stock is already down into the low 30s or something now. So it's way below. I bought 2 whole shares, so sad me. I've lost a whole bunch of money. So I bought them somewhere in the 40s. So anyway, I've lost money on this deal, but I think it's probably in Elon Musk's and honestly, Twitter accounts and everybody's best interest that they, the people who, not the shareholders of Twitter, obviously, but users of Twitter, and also SpaceX and Tesla and everybody. Elon hopefully will spend a little more time focusing on those companies now and not so much on Twitter. And if he wants to start his own social media company, honestly, for the $1 billion breakup fee that he's going to pay, he could have easily just gone ahead and done, started up a company for $1 billion and gotten a long ways with some intelligent people. So anyway, I hope everybody's having a lovely Friday. There's a really good episode coming out tomorrow, so take a look at that. Keep an eye out for that one. And in the meantime, everybody have a lovely weekend. I'll talk to you later. And if you're a Twitter shareholder, sorry about that. Hopefully Tesla and, Tesla shares will go up because the stock market will be happy about that. But in the meantime, everybody have a lovely weekend. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.